Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.18. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 24.31% since we first labeled Nvidia as a buy candidate 15 days ago. This amounts to an average daily return of 1.62% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to consider selling. Typically, when a stock is in the upper part of a rising trend, we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $618.40, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 28.13% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 7.34% and 29.83%. The 12-month trend indicates a significant 114.81% change over the next year, with a potential return between 70.75% and 117.34%. Based on this trend, the stock could reach a price range of $1,042.08 to $1,326.45 after a year. Our latest update for Nvidia brings exciting news. The stock has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Friday's trading session. On the last day, which was Friday, January 26, 2024, the Nvidia stock price experienced a slight decline of 0.95%, going from $616.17 to $610.31. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2%, with a low of $605.73 and a high of $617.82. It's worth noting that the stock has seen positive growth in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total increase of 11.33% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 9 million shares on the last day, with a total of 39 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $23.50 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Nvidia stock was $628.48, whereas the lowest price was $189.50. At present, the stock price is 2.89% below the 52-week high, standing at $610.31. This price is $18.17 lower than the all-time high of $628.48. Analyst Ratings. In the world of stock market analysis, ratings from reputable analysts can greatly influence investor decisions. Let's take a look at some recent ratings for Nvidia, the popular technology company. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Raymond James gave Nvidia a strong buy grade with a hold action. This indicates a high level of confidence in the stock's potential for growth. On Tuesday, January 16, 2024, KeyBank rated Nvidia as outperform with a hold action. This suggests that the stock is expected to perform better than the market average. Another notable rating comes from Cowen & Company, who gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action on Monday, December 11, 2023. This indicates a recommendation to purchase the stock. Similarly, BMO Capital rated Nvidia as a buy with a hold action on Wednesday, November 22, 2023. This suggests a positive outlook on the stock's potential. Lastly, Wells Fargo gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action on Wednesday, November 22, 2023. This implies that the stock is expected to outperform its industry peers. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a closer look at the signals for Nvidia stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a positive forecast for the stock, with buy signals present. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $600.19 and $519.21. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Furthermore, a buy signal has been identified from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the stock's short-term development. On Thursday, January 25, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 0.95% decline in the stock. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. During the last trading day, the volume decreased along with the price. This reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, this is a buy signal. Pivots, this signal indicates a sell 2 days ago. Bollinger, this is a buy signal that occurred 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, this is a buy signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, this is a buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, this indicates a buy signal from 56 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. Short moving average, this is a buy signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, this is a buy signal from 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, this indicates a buy signal from 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. When analyzing the downside of the stock, we find support levels just below today's price. Accumulated volume suggests support at $531.40 and $495.22. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall further to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia has additional support just below today's price at $531.40. If that level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $495.22 and $487.16. Moving on to the risk factor, it's worth mentioning that this stock tends to experience significant volatility throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, classifying this stock as high risk. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $12.09, representing a 2% fluctuation. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.86%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate high growth rates in the future. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.76. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's delve into potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If we observe an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Nvidia stands at $613.62. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the contrary, if we encounter a downward movement, Nvidia faces its primary support level at $531.40. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, potentially leading to a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. One of the most recent insider trades involved Stevens Mark A., who bought and sold a total of 71,648 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -34.284. In total, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 917,509 shares in the last 100 trades. In this video, we'll be discussing our recommended stop loss for this stock. Before we get started, it's important to note that this stock has high daily movements, which also means it carries a high level of risk. Currently, the RSI 14 stands at 93, which significantly increases the risk associated with this stock. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Considering all these factors, we recommend setting the stop loss at $588.94, reflecting a decrease of 3.5%. Is it a good time to invest in Nvidia stock? Based on our analysis, we believe Nvidia stock presents a buying opportunity in the short term. Several positive signals and a favorable overall trend support this conclusion. Therefore, we have upgraded our assessment from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Furthermore, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Monday, January 29th, we anticipate Nvidia to open with a 98-cent increase, starting its trading at $611.29. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided here, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? We're excited to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.